My question is Shab-e Barat or Shab-e Miraj, all these are innovation?
Okay, I will answer inshallah. Shihab from Bangladesh, he's asking about Shabi Barat and Shabi something else, which is celebrating the 27th of Rajab, considering it to be the night of the miraculous journey, Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj, and celebrating the 15th of Sha'ban, considering it Al-Laylatu Al-Mubarakah, and they do Salat Al-Tasabih. All of this is not part of Islam. Neither the Prophet had ever done anything in it, alayhi salam, nor his companions, nor the Tabi'een, nor the Tabi'it Tabi'een. Trust me when I say this. If you do what these three generations did, companions, Tabi'een and Tabi'it Tabi'een, and not add anything to that, wallahi, you will go to paradise with them. Trust me. But if you innovate, if you invent things that were not done by them, then on the day of judgment, the angels would prevent you from approaching the pool of the Prophet ﷺ, and you will not be allowed to drink from it. And when the Prophet ﷺ calls Allah, my ummah, he will be replied to by saying, you don't know what they've innovated after your death. And the Prophet would say, destruction may be upon those who innovated after me. Rajab from India says, now you said that there is no special form of worship during the month of Rajab, and offering such forms of worship would make it a bid'ah. I have a confusion. What about the miraculous night journey, the Isra and Mi'raj, which a lot of the people think that took place on the 27th of the month of Rajab? Is it a bid'ah? The answer is, the event itself, without any doubt, took place. It's a reality, it's a fact. We believe in that. Did it happen in Rajab? We don't know. It's not authentic that it happened on the 27th of Rajab. And hypothetically, if we were to say that it did happen on the 27th of Rajab, there is nothing reported in the authentic Sunnah from the Prophet ﷺ or his companions or the Tabi'een or the Tabi'it Tabi'een to have ever celebrated that night or specifying it with Salatul Raghaib or special kinds of worship or reciting the Quran or fasting it. So anything of the sort is a bid'ah. But to believe that the Prophet ﷺ was taken from Mecca to Jerusalem and from Jerusalem to the heavens, depending which is first, it's an issue of dispute. Some say he went from Mecca straight to the seventh heaven, and then he went to Jerusalem, led the messengers in prayer, and then came back to Mecca. It's a different opinion among scholars which happened first. This is definitely authentic and proven.
Sheikh, my question is, what is the ruling on fasting on a day of Friday? Is it prohibited, Sheikh?
Fasting on Friday, if it's voluntary fasts, it is not permissible to fast it alone. As per the hadith, when the Prophet ﷺ asked one of his wives, may Allah be pleased with her, who was fasting Friday, she said, I'm fasting. So the Prophet asked her specific questions, ﷺ. Did you fast yesterday? She said, no. Then he said, do you want to fast tomorrow, which is Saturday? He said, no. He said, break your fast. Now, voluntary fasts, Saturdays and Fridays, the most authentic opinion is that they must not be done for general voluntary fasts, except in one case, that is when you fast the fasting of Dawood, peace be upon him. So we know that he used to fast every alternate day, which means that if you fast a Friday this week, next week you will fast a Saturday. So it will be Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Then you will fast Saturday alone, then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and so on. So in this case, because of fasting of Dawood, and you're not fasting Friday or Saturday for Friday or Saturday, this becomes permissible only. Now, in making missed fasts of Ramadan, which is mandatory, or expiations, which are mandatory, or fasting a vow. In this case, again, you can single out a Friday alone and fast it without any problem, because this is mandatory.